and tasty sweet which is easy to make for the occasion of Diwali. It is Anjeer Laddoo. Anjeer is the most favorite dry fruit of mine. So let's start making it. So friends, to make the Anjeer Laddoos I have taken Anjeer. I have taken 10 Anjeers which I have soaked in the water for 4 hours. 1.5 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of mawa. Instead of mawa, you can also use 1 cup of milk powder, 1 cup of whole tata. For the garnishing, I have taken chopped almonds and cashews, elaichi powder, and then I have taken half cup of ghee. So friends, are we ready to see the recipe? Let's go. First, in the grinder, I will add the anjeers. We have to drain off the water. Next, we have to make a paste. Friends, in a heated pan, I am going to add the ghee, whole wheat atta. We have to roast this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I am going to add the anjeer paste. Next, I am going to add the mawa. After this, we have to roast it for a few minutes until the mixture's aroma spreads in your house. We have to roast it properly. So friends, now our Anjeer Laddoo mixture is ready. We have to cool it down completely. Friends, our mixture has cooled down completely. Next, I am going to add the elaichi powder, the powdered sugar, and then we have to mix it properly with our hand. After mixing, the Anjeer Laddoo mixture looks like this. We have to make small balls out of it. So friends, now our Anjeer Laddoos are ready. Now I am going to taste one of them. They are so delicious and tasty. They are melting in my mouth. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy Diwali to you all.